Hello everyone and welcome back. As a homemaker, I'm always on the lookout for simple things that can make life in the kitchen a bit easier and less stressful. So today, I'm sharing a few items that have really helped me out in my daily routine and made my work easier and comfortable in kitchen. I have dropped all the links below in case you want to check them out. So let's get started. First up is this 3-in-1 toaster. And if you're thinking of it as just an ordinary sandwich maker, let me explain how versatile it actually is. I have been looking for one for a really long time, and having a multi-purpose cooking tool is truly a game changer. The first advantage is that it's a 3-in-1 appliance, as it comes with 3 interchangeable cooking plates that let you prepare a variety of dishes. There are grilling plates, waffle plates, and sandwich plates. The second advantage is the removable plates, which make cleaning the appliance so much easier. Just press the button on the top and bottom side and the plates pop right out. Putting them back in is just as easy. Place the plates into the grooves and press gently for a secure fit. So I'll give this feature a complete 10 on 10 because versatility and convenience is the first ask for any cookware in the kitchen. Next is the easy locking system. The lock holds the food tightly inside, ensuring it's cooked evenly on both sides. The plates are Teflon coated and non-stick, and they are safe to use as long as they are not damaged or worn out. Let me quickly cook a few items to show how versatile this machine is and demonstrate some practical uses of this toaster. Whether you are on a weight loss journey, a busy parent who needs quick recipes, or someone who simply wants to eat clean, this device is a real boon. During the morning rush, when I am juggling multiple tasks, I make the most of this griller. With any kind of batter ready, like idli batter or multigrain batter, I can whip up a variety of utpams with or without veggies using either the grilling or waffle plates. My kid enjoys them with chutney or ketchup. Whether the batter is sweet or savory, you will have a healthy tiffin box ready in no time. But it doesn't stop there. I also make plain utpams and use them as bread substitute for no bread sandwiches. I'll first cook a thin layer of batter in the machine, and once cooked, cut the utpam in half and top it with my favorite sauces and veggies to make a low effort, low carb sandwich. I have been eating more consciously lately, and this idea of guilt-free bread alternative has been a total game changer. If you are traveling with kids or are a student, hostler, or bachelor living alone, these types of quick recipes can help you avoid skipping meals and encourage healthier eating habits. Take this next recipe for example. Grab a few thick slices of tofu or paneer. I usually grease the plates lightly to get those nice grill marks, but you can skip that if you are aiming for an oil-free meal. Just place the slices in the toaster, close the lid, and wait for the green light to turn off. In no time, you will have perfectly grilled paneer or tofu. You can even marinate them beforehand since the plates are so easy to clean. I sometimes grill veggies too. Just make sure they are sliced thin enough so the lid closes easily. And here is a high protein quick snack ready for that 4 pm small hunger. But to give it another twist, I'll cut the tofu into small chunks to make low effort healthy salad bowl. With this toaster and griller, you don't always need a gas stove to cook healthy meals. It's portable, convenient, and helps you make multiple dishes quickly and easily. Next, just like that, your grilling machine can turn into a sandwich maker or a waffle maker without needing to buy any additional appliances. So now, I'll make a quick sandwich to show how tightly the appliance holds the food. The non-stick coating allows you to use minimal oil or butter, which is great. The size is perfect for 2 regular sandwich slices, giving you 4 sandwich halves at once. Cheese spills are pretty common with sandwiches, but since the plates are removable, cleaning is a breeze. Once the plates cool down, I clean them with soft sponge to avoid damaging the coating, which, if worn out, could be harmful. See the difference for yourself. The plates look as good as new. The only downside of this appliance is being non-stick, the plates may not be most long lasting. You do need to be careful while washing and using them to ensure the appliance lasts longer. Otherwise, this kitchen find is a big thumbs up for me. The next kitchen find is all about organization, because if there is one place that truly needs smart tools, it's the kitchen. I recently discovered these foldable and versatile silicone boxes, and I was genuinely impressed by how useful they are. I initially bought them to organize my freezer section, but they turned out to be multi-utility and perfect for various storage purposes, which I'll share in just a bit. They come in a set of 4 with multiple color options to choose from. I chose pink because this looks a little pretty. One of the key benefits is that they are airtight. The lids come with silicone lining that seals tightly, keeping your food fresh and secure. And when you open them, you will notice how they expand from a compact, flat shape into a full-size container with ample capacity. Made from high-quality silicone, these containers are not only durable but also freezer and microwave safe. This makes them perfect for everything from packing office lunches and kids snacks to storing frozen food or organizing leftovers in the fridge. But the versatility doesn't stop there. Since they are silicone based, you can even use them for quick baking. Think cakes, baked pasta, or one bowl meals. No need for greasing or prepping other baking dishes. This one will do that job. The set includes 4 different sizes, giving you the flexibility to choose the right container for different needs. Plus, the see-through lid makes it easy to identify what's inside without having to open each one. They are stackable and foldable for space saving while storing. Here is a look at one of my freezer section right now. I often store dry fruits and flour in the freezer, and the space usually ends up feeling cluttered. Now I'm going to quickly refill these silicone containers and organize everything neatly. The containers undoubtedly have sufficient capacity, and since they are made of silicone, the boxes expands a bit and the item adjusts well inside, even if it's slightly overfilled like this box of cashews. One of the smartest features is that since the containers are flexible, you can compress them even when partially filled. For example, I have just a little corn left, so I slightly open the top valve and press down on the container to release excess air, saving space and keeping things compact. Overall, I think these containers are extremely well designed to meet real kitchen needs. Silicone based, stackable, foldable, and multi-purpose. And when not in use, either stack them or fold down to take up minimal space in your cabinets. Speaking of space saving and foldable organizers, here is another great find that's both practical and multi-purpose. It's a foldable basket that comes in 4 parts: a border, base, frame, and a cloth cover. Let me quickly assemble it and show you how amazing this basket is. First, I open the frame and align it properly before adding the base. Once the base is fixed in place, I insert the metal frame into the loops provided on the inner borders to secure it nice and tight. This frame makes lifting the basket super easy and convenient. Now I'll cover the basket with the cloth cover, and just like that, our pretty looking spacious basket is ready. The only flaw I feel is that the base isn't very firm. I wish it came with a sturdier wooden base to help it support heavier loads. However, since I use it to store items that don't require frequent shifting, it still serves the purpose well. It's perfect for hiding unwanted clutter around the house that you can't easily get rid of. For example, my pantry has see-through glass door, so food packets and jars often create a lot of visual clutter. But this basket holds everything neatly and hides the mess beautifully. Beyond the pantry, you can use this basket in so many ways. Store your kids' stationery, place it on your vanity for makeup and creams, use it on your office desk for organizing supplies, or even in the bathroom for hand towels and daily toiletries. This stylish, functional basket blends well with any kind of decor and fits seamlessly into different spaces in your home. One of my recent and now favorite kitchen find is this cast iron mini tadka pan. Don't be fooled by its small size. This little pan is sure to become an everyday essential in your kitchen. Let me explain how. The first thing you'll notice is that it comes in 3 detachable parts, making it easy to assemble and clean. Although it's made of cast iron, it's surprisingly lightweight yet durable. One of the best features is the wooden handle, which makes it comfortable to hold and lift while cooking. The handle doesn't get hot and the cooking becomes very convenient. Assembling it is super simple. Just attach the handle to the pan using the provided screw and you're good to go. And there you have it. A pretty, compact, yet incredibly useful tadka pan ready to serve you. To give you a better idea of its size, the pan has a depth of around 1.5 inch and width of around 4 inches. It comes pre-seasoned and is 100% toxin free and adds a rustic charm to your kitchen with its classic look. Despite its small size, it plays a big role in my daily cooking. The Stay Cool wooden handle provides a secure grip, preventing burning and allowing for safe, comfortable cooking. In terms of functionality, it fits even on the biggest gas burner and prepares the perfect amount of tadka for one-time use. Thanks to its heavy base, the pan heats evenly and prevents burning, which is ideal for tempering spices. For example, I often use it to prepare tadka for dosa batter for various dishes. Now let me show you the versatility of this tadka pan. Now that my tadka job is done, this pan will convert into a mini pan for cooking my other dishes. Once the tadka is done, I don't even need to add more oil. I just throw in a few cumin seeds and pour in the batter. Cast iron's excellent heat retention helps cook food faster and more evenly. In no time, you get perfectly round bun dosas. Crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. All without needing extra oil or any other cookware, and best of all, nothing sticks to the bottom. Whether it's a bun dosa, uttapams, sweet or savory pancakes, chilas or any quick recipe, this mini pan handles it effortlessly. Let me show you how well this bun dosa is cooked from inside. Well cooked and ready to enjoy. I have shared the links to all the products below in case you would like to check them out. Next on my list, and honestly, it should be right at the top of my must-have kitchen tools, is this knife. If you have watched my videos closely, you'll know that I have been using this knife for the past 3 years now. Over time, I have come across several other knives, but this one continues to be the best for good reasons. Knives are the foundation of any cooking process. And if you're looking for sharp, reliable knife for daily use, I highly recommend investing in this one. It's the Victorinox stainless steel serrated knife, which is rust free and designed to retain its sharpness for years. I feel what makes it best is the ergonomic handle, which offers a strong grip, making chopping much easier and more controlled. Now let's talk about sharpness, because that's where this knife truly shines. Even after 3 years of regular use, the sharpness remains almost as good as new. It slices even the softest vegetable with precision. Just look at how thin and even the slices are. I wouldn't call myself an expert at chopping, but for everyday cooking, this knife definitely makes the task easier and more efficient. And it's not just me who thinks like this, but whoever visits my house and cook in my kitchen, like my mom, Karthik, or mom-in-law, they only look out for this one knife. Blunt knives are one of the most frustrating problems in the kitchen. They waste time and energy, and many knives either go blunt quickly or have awkward, uncomfortable grips. I have tried several over the years, and it can get expensive testing different ones. But this one knife solves all those issues. Whether you're chopping larger chunks or going for fine precision cuts, this knife performs beautifully. I know I'm repeating this again, but I can't recommend it enough if you're looking for permanently eliminate blunt knife issues in your kitchen. It also comes as a part of set of 3 knives, each designed for different purposes, but honestly, this single knife alone covers almost all my daily needs. The next kitchen helper that's absolutely essential yet often underrated is these soft kitchen towels. They are about the size of regular hand towels, and I use them in my kitchen for the same purpose: washing and wiping hands, which, let's be honest, is something we do constantly while cooking. These towels are made of microfiber, which makes them not just incredibly soft but also super quick to dry. And that's probably the biggest reason I like them so much. I just can't deal with wet, damp towels in the kitchen. It feels very unhygienic, and continuing to cook with wet hands doesn't feel right. That's where these microfiber towels really comes to the rescue. They come with a handy hook for hanging, and their soft pastel colors make them look pretty in any kitchen setting. They are available in various shapes and sizes, and I even have smaller ones that are used for wiping down everything in the kitchen. You will also see signs of wear and tear on mine because I have genuinely been using them that much. Since they dry quickly, I also use them to wipe wet utensils before putting them away. This helps prevent any musty smell or moisture buildup in the utensils. But not just utensils, I use them to dry washed vegetables too. They absorb every drop of water and leave the surface dry almost instantly. This helps in reducing the rotting of vegetables in the fridge. These pretty, soft, high absorbent, quick drying and durable towels have truly become a kitchen must have for me. In fact, I also carry them to the gym and during travel, as they tick all the boxes for functionality and convenience. I hope you found this video helpful. If you would like to purchase any of the products I talked about, I have shared the links in the description box below. Let me know in the comments which product you found the most useful and why. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more such vlogs, and I'll see you in the next one very soon.